Hey everyone, welcome back. Did you know that millions of Americans lose thousands of dollars every year just because they don't know how to file their taxes correctly?
Whether you are a student, a first-time worker, a freelancer, or just someone who has always been confused about taxes, this video is made.
And the best part? You can file your taxes completely FREE in 2026. No accountant needed, no opinion needed.
Every year, the US government collects money from people who earn income. This money is used to build roads, schools, hospitals, and run the country.
Now listen carefully. The deadline to file your taxes in 2026 is April 15th. Missing this deadline can result in penalties.
All right, let me now walk you through the entire process step by step. I promise you, Braun, it is much easier than you think. Let's get started. Step 1, gather your documents. Before you start filing, you need to collect all your important papers. The most important document is your... If you work multiple jobs in 2025, you will receive a W-2 from each employer. Make sure you have all of them before you...
If you are a freelancer or self-employed, you will receive a 1099 form instead of a W-2. This form shows...
Other documents you may need include your social security number or ITN, last year's tax return, bank account details for direct deposit, and receipts.
Step 2, choose how you want to file. In 2026, you have three main options. Option 1 is to file online yourself.
For most beginners, filing online yourself is the easiest and cheapest option. The IRS offers a free... Step 3. Choose your filing status. Your filing status affects how much tax you pay and how big your refund.
Other filing statuses include married filing separately tier if you are married but filing alone. Head of household if you are unmarried but...
Step 4, Live-Fail. Enter your personal information. Once you open your tax software, the first thing it will ask is your basic information.
Make sure all your information matches exactly what is on your social security card and government ID. Even a small spell.
Step 5, enter your income. Now you will enter all the money you earned in 2025. Start with your W-2 income.
If you have a 1099 form, enter that income separately. This is called self-employment income. With 1099 income,
Other types of income you must report include interest from your bank account, dividends from investments, rental income if you rent out a property.
Step 6, claim your deductions. This is where most people leave money on the table. Deductions reduce your taxable income.
The standard deduction in 2026 for single filers is around $15,000. For married couples filing jointly, it is around...
Itemized deductions are for people who have large expenses, like mortgage interest, high medical bills, or big charitable donations.
Step 7, claim your tax credits. Tax credits are even better than deductions because they directly reduce the amount of tax you owe dollar for dollar.
The Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC, is one of the most valuable credits for low to moderate income workers. In 2020,
The Child Tax Credit gives you up to $2,000 per qualifying child under age 17. If your child was born in 2020,
The American Opportunity Credit is for students in their first 4 years of college. It can give you up to $2,500 per year. Step 8, review your return carefully. Before you submit, go through everything one more time. Check that your name and social security number are correct, and most tax software will automatically check for common errors and alert you if something looks wrong. Pay attention to these alerts.
Step 9, submit your return. Once everything looks good, it is time to submit.
When submitting, you will be asked to sign your return electronically using your adjusted gross income from last year's return as a verification.
Step 10, choose how to receive your refund. You have two options, direct deposit or paper check.
Enter your bank account routing number and account number very carefully. A wrong digit can send your refund to the wrong account, and it is very difficult.
Step 11. Track your refund. After filing, you can track your refund status on the IRS website using the Where's My Refund tool.
most refunds are issued within 21 days of e-filing if there are no issues with your return. If it has been more than 21 days...
Now let me talk about some common mistakes beginners make. Mistake number 1, waiting until the last minute. Filing close to the April 5th.
Mistake number 2, not reporting all income. Some people forget to report freelance income, tips, or side hustle.
Mistake number 3, wrong direct deposit information. As I mentioned earlier, one wrong digit in your bank account number can send your...
Mistake number 4,
Missing out on credits and deductions. Many people pay more taxes than they need to simply because they do not know what they can deduct.
What if you made a mistake after filing? Do not panic. You can file an amended return using Form N40X.
What if you cannot pay your full tax bill? The IRS offers payment plans called installment agreements.
What about state taxes? In addition to federal taxes, most states also have their own income tax.
9 states have no state income tax at all: Alaska, Florida, Nevada, New Hampshire, South Dakota, Tennessee, Texas, Washington, and Wyoming.
Always remember to keep copies of all your tax documents for at least 3 years after filing. This includes your W-2s, 1099.
Okay, here is the secret bonus tip I promised you at the beginning. Did you know you to an IRA, individual retirement account?
Yes. The best part is you have until April 15th, 2026 to make IRA contributions for the 2025 tax year.
And that is everything you need to know about filing your taxes for the first time in 2026. Follow these steps and you will be done in less than 8 minutes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps this channel grow and reach more people who need this. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple and easy to understand financial videos every week. We cover everything from taxes to investing.